Magandang araw sa ating lahat. I am Adrian Fernando, reporting about background, mission and vision, and branches of Cardbank Incorporated, together with their tagline, Bukas para sa lahat. Simulan natin sa kung ano nga ba ang Cardbank. Ang Cardbank Incorporated ay in-establish noong taong 1997, September 1, specifically dito sa bayan ng San Pablo. Ang Cardbank Incorporated ay isang rural bank na nag-o-offer ng microfinance. Ang microfinance ay isa sa mga uri ng financial services na nagsusupply ng savings, loans, or remittances sa mga kababayan nating mahihirap, individuals, and small businesses. Proceed naman tayo sa vision and mission ng Cardbank. Their vision is a world-class leader in microfinance and community-based social development, undertakings that improves the quality of life of socially and economically challenged women and families towards nation building. Their mission is committed to empower socially and economically challenged women and families through continuous access to financial, microinsurance, educational, livelihood, health, and other capacity building services that eventually transform them into responsible citizens for their community and environment. Enable the women members to gain control and ownership of financial and social development institutions. Partner with appropriate agencies, private institutions, people, and community organizations to facilitate achievement of mutual goals. Punta naman tayo sa mga branches ng Cardbank. Ang Cardbank ay kasalukuyang mayroong 900 plus offices sa buong bansa na nagbibigay serbisyo sa higit 3 milyon nating mga kababayan. Mayroong 54 branches ang Cardbank at hindi ko na sila maiisa-isa pa kaya ipapakita ko na lang ang ilang branches within Laguna. Unang-una dyan ang Cardbank Executive Office na matatagpuan sa Padre Burgos Street, San Pablo City. At for sure, familiar tayong lahat sa building na ito sa bayan ng San Pablo. Dahil na rin sa agaw pansing taas at ganda ng gusali. Sunod ay San Pablo City Branch na isang ATM on site na matatagpuan lang din sa harap ng Cardbank Executive Office sa Marcos Paulino Avenue, San Pablo City. Meron din silang branch sa Bay Laguna na isa ring ATM on site at matatagpuan ito sa Jose P. Rizal Street, San Agustin, Bay Laguna. Ayun lamang para sa aking report na itutuloy ni Mr. Ryan Gutierrez.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ryan Junel Gutierrez at ang ire-report ko ay ang Cardbank Board of Directors. The Board of Directors is composed of seasoned professionals that are committed to the dual purpose of microfinance banking. Ang chairman ay si Dr. Jaime Aristotel B. Alip at ang vice chairperson for management and external affairs ay si Dr. Dolores M. Torres at ang member corporate treasurer ay si Ms. Lorenza D.T. Bañez. At ang member President CEO ay si Ms. Marivic M. Austria. Independent member ay si Mr. Arthur A. Bautista. Member ay si Dr. Gilberto M. Lianto. Independent member ay si Ms. Malbarosa P. Perote. Ang independent member ay si Ms. Gloria A. Pedel Glorio. Member ay si Ms. Luisa P. Cadaing. Legal Counsel ay si Attorney Edgardo R. Marilim. Corporate Secretary, ABP for Finance ay si Ms. Lourdes B. Dihan. Assistant Corporate Secretary, ABP for Audit ay si Ms. Marisa De Mesa. Assistant Corporate Treasurer, BP for Finance ay si Ms. Rowena Galarde. Management Committee. The management team is made up of professionals who have wealth of experience in the field of banking and microfinance. President CEO, Ms. Marivic M. Austria. Executive Vice President, Ms. Lorenza D.T. Bañez. Executive Vice President for Finance ay si Ms. Lourdes B. Dihan. Vice President for IT, Mr. Niceto Lupig. Vice President for Risk, Ms. Laarne Pahe. Vice President for Operation, Ms. Glenda C. Magpantay. Vice President for Operation, Ms. Herminigilda P. Manuba. Vice President for Compliance, Mr. Jeffrey M. Rodina. Chief Information Officer, Mr. Ronnie D. Palega. Vice President for Accounting and Finance, Ms. Rowena P. Galarde. Assistant Vice President for Operation, Ms. Rizalyn A. Manalo. Assistant Vice President for Operation, Ms. Baby Annalyn A. Malaborbor. Assistant Vice President for Operation, Ms. Clarita G. Mercado. Assistant Vice President for Operation, Ms. Raquel B. Zaragoza. HR Director, Ms. Rosa P. Matunan. Cardbank Institutional Partners, ATTF Luxembourg, Banknet, Banco de Oro, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BDO Remit, Cebuana Luwilier, Development Bank of the Philippines, Globe GCash, Grameen Foundation USA, International Finance Corporation, Land Bank of the Philippines, MoneyGram, People's Credit and Finance Corporation, PhilHealth, Planters Development Bank, Security Bank, Security Bank Corporation, Small Business Corporation, Social Security System, Transpass, Union Bank of the Philippines, Women's World Banking, Zoom Global Money Transfer, Express Money.